Hello everyone. So today in this video I'm going to tell you about the practical exam or the practical files for 12th grade students for information technology subject code is 802. So this is the file which my students have made, and it is from DU Public Schools Adora. So here it is like firstly, for any file you have to create index. It is the computerized file which you have to type. Okay, so here is the index first. After that, introduction to NetBeans IDE. So in this practicals we are doing Java practicals using NetBeans software. Okay, so here these are the steps that how to start the NetBeans software. After that, to create new project, which shortcut key you have to press, or from which menu, from the file menu you can go to new project. After that, there is that how you can create project. These are the steps which we follow in NetBeans IDE. After that, the programs can be followed by the teacher, that what are the programs which the students have to do for their practicals. So for example, I have started with the simple program of Hello World because it's very easy to understand for the students. So this is the first program, and here the practical questions which can be asked, like in Java, that what do you mean by package. After that, what is the important method in the Java program from where the statements get executed. So it is the main method. Difference between print and println. What are the comments, types of comments, okay, single line, multi line. So these are some basic questions, viva questions, which can be asked in practical examination. And so like this, students have prepared their Java file. Variables, what are the variables? If you are calculating something, like for example, this is a program of sum of two numbers. Okay, sum of two numbers. Here there are variables, that for two numbers we have taken a and b variable. So variable name can be changed, and the syntax for writing the variable, syntax for for loop. So all these syntax for Java, like for syntax, while syntax, okay, all the practical questions which you have covered in your curriculum, these are very important for the practical. After that, I have done six program, 5 to 6 program. This is the JFrame form, that how you can create form using JFrame in Java NetBeans IDE. So these are only the basic things. After that, there is structured query language. For this, we have used MySQL software, and after that we have created a database by using SQL queries. So these are again the steps, that how firstly you have to install the software. After that, click on MySQL icon, and this is a password. You have to enter the password for MySQL software. After that, how to create a database create you have to create database. That what is the command for that? This is create database. Okay, database name. So this is the command for that. After that, show databases. For show databases, command is show, and then database is semicolon. Now again the question comes, like what is the syntax for writing the show database, or create database, use database, create table, inserting the table. These are the syntax which can be asked, sorry, commands which can be asked. Okay, and after that, why we use semicolons after each and every statement, what does it mean. So all these are the practical viva questions which can be asked by you in the practical examination. So for the practical examination, you have to cover all the things, because as you know that 5 mark is from viva. From viva questions will be of 5 marks. Okay, 10 marks from your project file, practical file, which you have to make for this practical. After that, the marks, remaining marks are for like written, okay, written test, and the practical which you will be doing on your computer system. So like this, the distribution of practical for IT subject is there. Okay, so students, all the very best for your practical examination for the board, and you have to cover all the practical questions for this practical examination, like all the syntax, all the variable, why we use variables, print and println difference, what are the comments. All these are the viva questions which you have to cover. And again, like the practical files which you will be making, this is dependent on your teacher, that what you have done in your lab, computer lab, and how your teacher has given the practical or the programs which you have to cover in your practical 5. So this was all that I have made my students to do. So like you have to make the practical file like this, as if your teacher, you can also make the handwritten file. It totally depend upon the teacher which is teaching you the subject. So all the very best for your board examination. Thank you very much, and if you like this video, please share it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.